What's up, Wayne Barron here with Audio-Technica Studios, and today we're inside of Adobe Premiere Pro 2020, and what we're going to be doing here is copying and pasting attributes. It's going to make it a lot easier so that whenever you have multiple clips that are split and you want all of them to have the same color, then that is what we are going to do here. So we have the color that we want right here as soon as it uploads. I'm looking at you mean. So this is the color that we want, not the color that is right there. As you can see, everything's just a little bit too bright. We don't want it to be that bright, so it's simple. You just you choose the one that you want to work with or copy from. You right click, come up here to copy, then you go to the area that you want it, and then you right click and then you paste, and then it's going to pop up this dialog, and if we watch, you will see our colors change, and also all of our markers over here will change as well. And that right there makes it look a little bit better. Alright, I am Wayne Barron, the Audio-Technica Studios. Y'all have a good one now. Bye bye.